Radial Blur Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your phone. Once the application has loaded, press Create New Project to start a new editing project. After that, set your project settings according to your preference. When you are finished selecting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, import the footage that you want to use. Wait for the footage to be added to the timeline before continuing. Once your footage is ready, press the plus button again and add a rectangle shape to the project. After adding the rectangle, select the rectangle layer from the timeline. Press the three-dot button located on the right side of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Stretch to Composition Area. This will automatically resize the rectangle so that it fills the entire screen. Having the rectangle cover the full composition is important for applying the blur effect across the whole footage. With the rectangle layer still selected, open the Effect browser and search for Copy Background. Once you find the effect, apply it to the rectangle layer. After applying Copy Background, open the Effect browser again. This time, use the search bar to look for Spin Blur. When the effect appears in the search results, apply it to the same rectangle layer. The Spin Blur effect is used to create the radial blur appearance. Once the effect has been added, open the Spin Blur settings. Start by adjusting the center value. Changing the center value allows you to reposition the blur effect and control where the radial blur originates on the screen. If you want to increase the strength of the radial blur, go to the angle setting within the Spin Blur effect. Increase or decrease the angle value according to your preference.